What if I told you you could lower your personal carbon footprint, save money, and stay comfortable all at the same time? You'd probably think I'm crazy. However, with a dual fuel or hybrid HVAC system, it's possible. On this episode of Now You Know, we're going to be talking about what a heat pump is, what the benefits are, and why you should consider one. A heat pump looks and performs exactly like an air conditioner with the added benefits of being able to heat your home in the colder months. Heat pumps transfer available heat from outside to heat your house during the winter, and during the summer, it transfers the warm air from inside your home and vents it back outside. When you look at your typical gas or electric furnace, heat is created using energy. Heat pumps are much more efficient because they merely transfer the air from either inside to the outside or vice versa. They don't create heat, just transfer it from place to place. Let's take a look at this diagram to help explain it a little better. To provide heat, a heat pump works by extracting heat from the air outside of your home, transferring it to the refrigerant. This may seem impossible when the temperature outside is below freezing. However, there is latent heat energy in the air all the way down to absolute zero or negative 459 degrees Fahrenheit. The coolant is then moved along to the compressor, which compresses or raises the boiling point, increasing the temperature significantly. This is possible because refrigerant boils around negative 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The high pressure coolant is then moved to the indoor unit of the heat pump, which then passes air over the hot coolant, transferring heat throughout your home. In the summer, the heat pump does the opposite and works the same as your current air conditioning. So you might be asking yourself, what are some benefits of a heat pump? Eco-friendly, low maintenance, has an extra quiet blower with a great focus on energy rebate. Living in Wisconsin really provides the perfect environment for the use of a dual heat HVAC system. With temperatures that could venture into the negatives, it's important to be able to rely on a traditional gas furnace to keep you and your family comfortable. However, being able to take advantage of an eco-friendly, energy-efficient heat pump for most of the year is a benefit to you, your wallet, and the environment. And now you know.